Example 1. Evaluate 64 raised to the power 2 over 3 times 25 raised to the power 3 over 2. Solution. First observe that 64 is the whole number 2 raised to the power 6. 25 is the number 5 raised to the power 2. So, we get. Using the power rule, we can write the expression as 2 to the power 4 times 5 to the power 3 equals 16 times 125. Therefore, the given expression equals 2000. Let us solve one more example involving numbers and variables.
Need more help? Subscribe to our channel. Can't wait that long? Ask Mesky to help you and let the math finally start mathing.